Hello guys, what's up? Uh, first,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Dito kasi 10% lang, pero wala pang kaltas sa 6 months pa. Sa Grab. Alam ko 23% eh. Ang pag 300, 23% ng kaltas sa Grab. Malaki na. Isang buwan pa lang kasi nag-operate ulit eh. June 28. Naka-apply ko lang kahapon. Pasok agad eh. Kailangan talaga sila ng driver.
Oo ba yun?
Hindi naman ako binayaran. Ang kagandahan lang dito, wala silang porsyento ma'am. Hindi pa sila naniningil. Pagka yung pamasahin nyo talaga, walang kaltas sa in-drive. Ano yung magandahan sa kanya? Siguro yung matatagal na yun. Kahapon na kasi ako. Wala pang ino-open sa akin. Pero saan na ganun? Kapag nakabuka ko ng 7, may nakalagay kasi dito na yung 7 booking eh. Pag na-complete ko siguro yun, baka yung offer sa akin. Ano pa lang. Kung tatalunin si Grab na ito, baka ng Virgo. Joy car na meron. Mababa din dun, no? Oo. Mahirap pumanap ng rider. Okay lang. Itong in-drive, konti lang din ata din po.
Pero ang maganda sa inyo, sabay-sabay po ang pasok.
Oo, kami po. Pero kasi malapit. Nakikita nyo rin kami. Nakikita nyo rin kami. Kung sino malapit.
Kaya lang bakit gano'n nakalagay yung minutes pa yun? Pag na-accept na parang 31 minutes.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya nga kala ko eh, kakancel eh kasi malayo-layo eh. Kaya tinawagan ko kanina.
Dalang naman ang mga cancel. Kaya lang pag parang matagal na kaya nagsabi bakit sa rider?
Kaya nga ba na ko eh. First time ko pala. Paalam. Sabado kasi. Grab. Marami kasi hindi nakapasok. Waiting hour na ako sa Grab.
So, yun ang karamihan na.
Kaya,
Karamihan ng mga sinasabi pre. Tagal kasi.
kaya hindi ko kalaban.
Pinatos ko.
Paano yung pag-hirap sa kanila?
Dalawa ang gagamitin ko.
Dalawa.
Dalawang apps. Kung saan mauna. Mas maganda dalawa sa cellphone. Hindi ka lang. Mahirap kasi sa lalamutin.
Ang lalas.
45. Yan. Nasa ko yan.
Alam ko na, hindi naman nagkaano ng pasahero yata.
Yung iba tumatanggap. Pero bawal yun. Hindi tumatanggap. Baba din ang permi lalagay.
Bawal.
Kunwari, mabangga, may pangyari sa ano. Kunyari ka. Kasi bawal kasi tumanggap ng tao. Makakasunod ka ba?
Pero lalabas. Sawa naman yata sa
Double booking. Kaso nagagalit yung ibang customer, i-rate ka na mababa hanggang sa masuspindi ka. Nangyari sa akin ganyan. Nasuspindi ako ngayon. Pwede akong biyahe. Double booking kasi ginagawa ko para siyempre makabawi sa gasolina. Pag isa lang kinuha mo, talo ko. Sobrang traffic. Kaya dalawa na.
Sometimes you just gotta
480. Time check 150. Next tayo na aga pa. Kaya punta tayo ng circle para maghanap na speed. Mas marami doon. Lalabas tayo na Caloocan. So yun, update ko kayo mamaya guys. Kumita tayo kahapon ng 2,100. Nag-start tayo ng 12 p.m. Natapos tayo ng daling araw na. Plus 2 na nakauwi. Bali ang kinita ko kahapon 2,600. Pwede na. May panghulog na ng sasakyan. Basta magtuloy-tuloy lang yung gatong kita. Makakahulog tayo. So yun guys, yun muna. So gahin muna ako ngayon, August 4, Linggo. Start ulit tayo. So yun. Please subscribe.